For the compression of the fourth ventricle, the CV4 technique, this is used to restore normal motion in the occipital region and fourth ventricle by gently encouraging the cranial system into a state of stillness, which is called a still point. This is going to support the body's natural healing process. With the client lying in supine and the therapist seated at the head of the table, you're going to rest both forearms on the table, establishing a fulcrum. You're then going to interlace your fingers, cradling the client's occiput. The thenar eminences, the sides of your thumbs, are going to be placed against the occipito-mastoid sutures, the sides of the occiput. You're then going to encourage extension of the occiput. So in the craniosacral rhythm, when it goes into a flexion where you feel like it expands and then it contracts, you're going to hold it in that contracted state. So you're going to resist it expanding into flexion. You're then going to hold there with that force until a still point is reached. And that's when it feels like the body's completely still, there's no rhythm, and the client is completely relaxed. After about 15 seconds to a couple minutes, the craniosacral rhythm is going to re-engage, and the therapist is going to slowly release the force, allowing for a newfound relaxation.